Are you looking to start selling on the Amazon UAE market, but feeling stressed and overwhelmed, not sure where to start or which products to even start with? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and find a product to sell on Amazon without needing any tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. So without further ado, let's get to it. So when you go on Amazon on the homepage, on the dashboard, you can simply go to bestsellers and new releases. Now, from these bases, you have a few products that will be available to you that obviously are selling really well in the marketplace already, and new releases that are making noise. Now, from this section, you can also find the movers and shakers. From here, we're just going to filter out a few categories that I like. There's home, there's kitchen, there's health, there's many more beauty, baby products. So this is for the bestsellers category. Then we got our new releases as well. Here you can go ahead and filter by categories as well. So we just go ahead and start with home and kitchen. And then lastly, we got our movers and shakers. So we'll go ahead and go at home, kitchen. I'll pick some health as well. I've generally been getting into some health products myself. Let's go ahead and look at the new releases in home and kitchen. So we see a mop and bucket. Now, the thing with the UAE market is that since it's a relatively new market, products that you would be expecting to be very competitive in the US market or the UK market have massive opportunities in the UAE. So we'll still go ahead and check this. Close pegs, we'll go ahead and check that as well. And then we'll go to photo frames. From here, we'll literally just go search mop and bucket. So now we're just checking the market as a whole. We saw the one product was selling, I think, 600 units. Okay, 600 units. So 600 units is being dominated by this brand here, Veleda. They're available here as well. Then we got Royal Ford. They only got 275 reviews and 400 plus bought. Then we got 16k reviews and 300 bought. So the reason I'm pointing out the reviews is generally when you're launching on Amazon, you're going to be starting from 0 reviews. So how quickly can you get to a high number of reviews in order for you to be able to get a similar amount of sales? Because as you can see, the person with one review here is doing 50 sales, which is the lowest out of the bunch here. The ones with the highest, 1.3k. 16k seems like an anomaly, but this isn't even a mop, or is it? Maybe the image is really bad because I don't know what that is. But essentially, yeah, that gives you a good indication. But now we can see there are a few people here that got 2 reviews. Can't really see the sales, I mean. But sometimes tools like Jungle Scan and Helium 10 don't show you the accurate data for the sales. So you want to go ahead and check these numbers for Amazon. So if we were to launch in this marketplace, I can see that we do at least 50 sales in the first month, just being able to sell this product as we're building reviews. And then we do our marketing properly. For me, I would rate this a 5 out of 10. And the reason for that being is the sales are pretty much very skewed towards the ones with the most reviews here. And then lower down, it's just 50 sales. But you can build in this marketplace. It's not one that I would love to go for. I'd love to see the sales dispense a bit more between different sellers, at least 10 sellers making good amount of money in the category so that we can come in, be the 11th seller and hopefully come and win and dominate the market. Simply by doing this, you can go ahead and find a good product for yourself. So right now we'll go for close pack as well. This product's got 1 review, 50 bought, which is quite decent. So we'll go ahead and check this. So here you can see 425 reviews, 200 bought, 24 reviews, 50 bought, 11.6k. So sometimes some of these sellers are selling from different countries, etc. So they've imported the listings and that's why they have massive reviews. It doesn't always mean that they're the best in the category because of the reviews. But yeah, 566, 50 bought. Yeah, I mean, the sales are okay and not the best, but the price points for these products are also very low. It's not much margin left for you if you're selling a product at such a low price point for your sales on the Amazon UAE marketplace. So let's go through it. Let's see if we can find a winner. Here we got the photo frame hook. We'll just go ahead and check that. Apologies if you hear me sniffling. I have a bit of a cold. 100 reviews, 300 bought, decent. Obviously Command, they've got these strips. Love buying the strips from them. 100 bought, 1.5k. They've imported the listing. 100 bought. Ooh, 700 bought. This one is interesting. They got 5.2 reviews, but the sales are not as much dispersed as I'd like to see them. It looks decent, but I'd give it a no-go for this category. And so we'll go on. So let's go for this in the new releases in kitchen. And then we got breast milk storage, and then we got some kitchen set as well. So let's go for white long thin candles. So this process of finding products can be very tedious. It takes quite a while in order for you to go ahead and find a winner. But if you keep going through the data, if you keep going through the numbers, you'll eventually find a product that does work. We've got 75 reviews, 50 bought, decent. No reviews, 50 bought. It's a good sign. I've got these here, 1.9K. 11 reviews, 100 bought. 5K reviews, 200 bought. Okay. This seems semi-decent. Actually, let's go look at this one. Because it's got 96 reviews, 600 bought. That's very interesting. And it's got 3.7 stars. So that means customers are not even happy with it, but they're still buying it. Let's go ahead and look at this product. So sometimes in between looking at other products, you end up finding what you are actually looking for. So go for tea light candles. Okay, so right here, right now, 96 reviews, 600 bought. 112 reviews, 300 bought. Looks decent. I think the price point is a bit lower than what we would like to see. So you can definitely make sales in this category, it seems like, but you have to make the product stand out quite a bit. Not my favorite, but I think I'll give this a 6 out of 10. I think the pricing might be the issue. So if you can find a way to make this more premium, have the product stand out a bit more, I think this would be a decent find. We'll go for breast milk storage bags. These guys are unavailable at the moment, so that's good. Okay, so this seems like a good product. Seems like a decent product. Most new sellers that are coming in here have at least 50 to 100 bought every single month of the product. I don't think anyone is doing anything different, which is the key perk in the UAE market. So 32 reviews and they already got 100 bought. Now this has a 30 dirhams, decent. Maybe there's a way to bundle it and then make it more expensive. Here they got 200 bought. They pretty much look the same. And then this is an international listing. Lancino, I don't know about that brand. 11 reviews, 100 bought. So it's a new market. It has opportunity. I'd also give this a 6 out of 10. Ooh, now this is obviously more like breakable. I want to check it, but I'm not sure. What would we even search? Dinner set. Okay, let's see. It's breakable. Sometimes if you have a good supplier, they can make sure that it doesn't break in transition. If you don't, then you know you're gonna have lots of damage. But yeah, I'm not seeing any units bought, so we're just gonna skip this one. So sometimes I don't like launching appliances just in case you don't have a good manufacturer and it ends up breaking. But this seems interesting. A fridge cover with side pockets. I didn't even know that was a thing. Finding a product is the hardest part of selling on Amazon and literally the most tedious part that most people hate and the part that stops most people from actually selling on the platform. Just doing this simple method within the last few minutes, we were able to find 2 products that are 6 out of 10. But literally going through this, taking the time that other people won't do, you'll be able to find a hot product that's literally an 8, 9 or 10 out of 10 product for you to go ahead and sell on Amazon. So for more videos like this, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and then join our school community for live calls where you can hop on and ask myself and the team any questions you may have. All right, catch you in the next video. Bye bye.